Echelon Smart Connectics pricing explained what you get for your money. The Echelon Smart Connectics is often called the budget-friendly Peloton alternative. But what's the real deal, and what do you actually get for your money? Let's dive in. The EX3 typically costs around $199, depending on sales and configurations. You'll also need an Echelon Fit membership, which starts at $99 per month or annually. Here's where Echelon shines. Instead of a built-in screen, the EX uses your own tab at her phone, keeping costs lower, while still giving you access to thousands of live and on-demand cycling, strength, and yoga classes through the app. Most people get this wrong. They assume lower price means fewer features. But the EX includes 32 levels of magnetic resistance, a fully adjustable seat and handlebars, and smooth performance that rivals premium bikes. The Echelon app provides leaderboard rankings, scenic rides, and instructor-led motivation that makes every session competitive and fun. You can even switch between cycling, Pilates, and height workouts for total body variety. So, what do you get for your money? Reliable engineering, access to an expanding digital fitness platform, and a workout experience that feels high-end without the high-end price tag. If you're looking for an affordable yet dynamic way to stay consistent with your fitness goals, the Echelon EX proves that performance and value can absolutely go hand in hand.